Human beings are not supposed to be employed. Human beings are not supposed to take orders. They like their freedom. They like their independence. And hence, they are born entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurship is finding smart people who can accompany you in this journey, who are complementary to you. Ensure that you don't add people who have similar strength as you. Within first 1.5 to 2 seconds, the person sees someone. The person has decided whether the person is going to do business with the other person or not. Once the subconscious mind has decided, our conscious mind is just finding reasons to substantiate that, whether positive or negative. As an entrepreneur, you cannot have time spent on anything but to make connections. You have to ensure that you keep connecting with every possible person, every possible lead, every possible human being you come across. You never know. He or she can be a potential, can give you potential idea, can give you potential resources, can be a potential client. Who knows? You have to keep trying, and there will be a inflection point which will come. That will change the dynamics, that will change the economics, that will change the trajectory of your efforts. Today you are putting 100% of your efforts and you may be getting only 5%, but let the momentum on, because there will be a point in time when you are putting only 20% of the efforts and 100 or 200% results will start coming. It's all about continuity and perseverance, because people who don't quit ultimately win.